In this video, we're going to show how to make an airtight bag for moving and storing mattresses. What I've got here is some 4mm plastic that I picked up at a home repair store, and this is the same plastic that's found in the paint section. And what I did is I measured the mattress and I cut the plastic a little longer on the width side and about to size on the length side, so the long side. And so I brought the mattress in and dropped it on the plastic, and now I'm basically just encapsulating the mattress in the plastic wrap. I had a little extra, like I said, so I didn't really have a use for it, so I just tucked it underneath instead of cutting it off. I didn't want to risk puncturing the plastic, so I'd rather just tuck it underneath and make a nice straight seam. Once I had that seam nice and straight, I just went and got some packing tape, and now you see me taping over that seam to make it airtight. Now I'm going to move to one of the ends, and I'm just going to start wrapping it kind of like a present, where it's got some very defined straight creases in it that I can easily apply tape over to make sure there's no spots that are open for contamination to enter during a move. And now I'm just applying tape over the seam with half the tape on one side and half the tape on the other, just to, again, to make sure that there's no openings. It's kind of a tedious process to make sure there's no openings, but if you don't have a bag to pack a bed in and you're worried about it getting dusty or dirty from either the moving truck or storage, this is a good, easy way to make sure it stays safe. So here I finished on the one side, and all I do is I just start to press down to see if the air is going to pop out of the side or if it's going to flow to the open side. And it did flow. So now you see me starting to gift wrap the other side. The plastic kept unfolding, so what you see me do here is just put a little holder strip of tape on it. And again, I'm just taping up all the open seams anywhere that gunk or dust or even water can get in. In a move once, we actually did have water come in through a crease in the truck, and we had wrapped our beds in plastic like this, and it did prevent the bed from getting wet. Sometimes the folds can be a little awkward and weird, and you might have to uncrease or unpack it a little bit and retape it. Here you saw I went back to the other side because I actually noticed a crease line on the closer side to the camera, and I realized I hadn't taped it up on the far side. And now that that's taped up, this thing is done and we're ready to move. So that's how you bag a bed airtight for moving.